nestled within more than 25,000 acres of pristine conservation lands. Lochloosa Preserve and its inviting homestead provide a tranquil haven that is an easy 25-minute drive from both the vibrant city of Gainesville, home to the University of Florida, and the renowned equestrian hub of Ocala. Spanning 76 acres of native Florida woods, the homestead supports a thriving ecosystem that harbors a diverse range of Florida's wildlife. Daily glimpses of deer and turkey are common in the area. Crafted with meticulous attention, the professionally designed 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home spans approximately 2,400 square feet. Inside the residence, there are custom vaulted ceilings overhead, modernized appliances, and luxurious oak flooring throughout the home, which welcome you in. A solar-heated pool measures 50 feet by 26 feet, creating a sense of relaxation and recreation. Additionally, the expansive 1,000-square-foot screened porch and deck offer ample space for entertainment. Adding to the allure, this property features a 5-acre stocked pond, a solar array setup, and a guest cabin that seamlessly integrates with the natural landscape. Here, guests can enjoy sustainable energy practices along with the soothing presence of water. A paved driveway leads to the primary residence, allowing for ease of access when coming and going. The flawlessly maintained and spacious yard below the beautiful oak and pine hammocks speak to the property's beauty. This wonderful getaway has the potential to host many grand celebrations, weddings, corporate retreats, or other special occasions. Boasting ample space and a captivating backdrop, this sprawling compound holds great potential for hospitality. The close proximity to major urban cities and attractions in north central Florida opens the door to potential Airbnb rentals or other investment opportunities as well. For more information about this property, please visit svnsaunders.com/properties.